Afridi, because they know we're going to bowl an off-spinner, and they've decided to go in and see whether they can take their chance and get after Wayne Madsen.
Dashing Pakistani all-rounder, on strike, not messing around, whipping that through mid-wicket, one bounce to the fielder. Getting well over to the offside. That's a good start by Afridi. He's not going to die wondering. He's going to play shots. Gone again with the sweep. So 4 more. It's enterprising stuff from Afridi, and 2 boundaries already. Down the ground this time, thumped hard, wristily, and it's 4 more. It beats long on. Going again, this time it's over mid-off, and 1 bounce 4. It's explosive stuff. Oh, Afridi goes. That's a trademark Afridi slap over wide long on for the first 6 of the night.
Deep he is in the crease. He's trying to go perhaps a little bit squarer. Gets enough of it. Good catch in the crowd. Oh, put down.
Oh, straight. He's got all of that. That's over the media centre. Massive blow. Huge shot.
Again, wrong length. He's enjoying this, Afridi.
It's just a swipe. Oh, another biggie. Mid-on. Gonna get there, mid-on, no!
Well, he pulled off a brilliant catch a little earlier, Matt Henry. Swirling in the air. This time it's a full toss. Shahid Afridi would have wanted that to go out the stands. And to make matters worse, he's parried it over the rope.
Full toss again, and it's smacked away over extra cover. 1 bounce. That's better. That's better. Bang it in there. That's better. He's gone for 6.
50 up for Afridi in 20 deliveries.
Hello. Look out in the crowd. In fact, look out in the road.
Oh my word. Shahid Afridi is putting on a performance tonight. This is belligerent.
Full toss into the leg side. Mid-on. Oh, he's put it down. Oh, what a drop. And it's Madsen. Now then, mid-wicket. No, there's a field over there. It's bounced on that roof.
Just offered, the only one he's offered in this over. A bit of length, and it's disappeared. Watch out for your cars.
Hit straight, hit powerfully. Oh, superb. Oh, the little flick. It's gone into the dugout. Caught by Bailey, dropped by Bailey.
But what another, extraordinary shot, wasn't it, again? Just a little flick. It's not a small boundary.
Cut away, backward a point. This is going to be his 100th. Absolutely magnificent from Shahid Afridi.
Incredible innings from Shahid Afridi. Thanks for the entertainment.
Top edge. Could be out. Is out now. So the Afridi dream is over for the time being, but what a dream it's been. 101 from 43 balls. He's set Hampshire on the road, and how?
What an innings from Shahid Afridi. What a decision to put him to the top of the order. He's rewarded them. See him in a very strong position. Just 43 balls for Shahid Afridi.